So that is that. I know yours has not been changed. So you can see here, and this PLT, it is this one that we are importing from Matplotlib, right? So to make it work, we just say kernel and restart and run process. Remember, mine has done that, and if yours has got that challenge, you can as well come here and just open this again. It will be right. And after opening it, you just come here and you use kernel, you set all rows and cells. Okay. Now, after that, you can see now we have something here. This is a Java. This is Java, and we are very good looking line graph from 0 all the way. This is index y-axis, and this is the extent. Remember, axis time. This is time. So the pause was like this, like this, like this, like this. This around this time, it is when it is posted highly. Don't worry, because we are going to come and start labeling x and y axis next time. So with that, we can start feeling the good of data presentation using the chart, or rather the bar graph such as line graph. Okay, so now with that and more, meet you next time.